Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to update your business profile in Lendio. Keeping your business profile current in Lendio is critical for accurate loan matches. Here's how to update it. First, log into your Lendio dashboard using your email and password. Then from the main menu, you want to locate and click business profile. You're going to see fields like business name, entity type, address, industry, annual revenue, and number of employees. Click into any section that you want to update and type in the new information. After making changes, hit save at the bottom of the page. Lendio will confirm that your profile was successfully updated. If your update is significant, like switching entity type or changing banking details, Lendio may request supporting documents, so be sure to upload them when prompted. Lendio uses your business profile to match you with lenders. The more accurate and complete your information is, the better your chances of finding funding that fits your business needs. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.